When is the Nokia 9 release date? Nothing has been officially confirmed with regard to the Nokia 9 launch date, although my drivers believes it will be announced on January 19, 2018 alongside the Nokia 6, 2018. That would put its release date super close to the Galaxy S9 and LG G7, and as it will likely compete with those phones in terms of specs and design, this does seem very plausible. The fact it's also recently appeared on the FCC database suggests a launch date is imminent. How much will the Nokia 9 cost in the UK? The new Nokia 9 is thought to be priced at around $800 or £634 with 128GB of storage, and $950 or £753 with 256GB. My driver states that the Nokia 9 will cost £415, which is much lower than expected and very cheap for a flagship. If true, it may well give the Nokia 9 the edge over Samsung and LG's flagships. What are the rumored new features and specifications in the Nokia 9? Many of the specifications for the now on sale Nokia 8 and rumored Nokia 9 are similar, but the Nokia 9 is thought to be larger and to feature a higher screen-to-body ratio. While the 5.3 in Nokia 8 has a 16:9 IPS panel, the 5.5 in Nokia 9 could see 18:9 virtually full-screen display, putting it in line with the Galaxy S8 and LG G6. The FCC listing confirms that this 5.5 in display is an OLED panel made by LG. It is expected to be a Quad HD display with Gorilla Glass 5, though recently leaked images, via /leaks, suggest the Nokia 9 will also have glass at the rear. The FCC also confirms a Snapdragon 835 processor with Adreno 540 GPU, 128GB of storage, Android 8.0 Oreo and a 3250 mAh battery, with dual rear cameras, 12MP plus 13MP, and a 5MP selfie camera. Smarina has pointed out that this 5MP selfie camera, listed as a Chicony Case 16 module, is in fact a dual camera. It says the camera has autofocus and f/2.0 and f/2.4 apertures. Suddenly the 5MP selfie camera sounds a lot more exciting. The camera is now known to be a key selling point for the upcoming smartphone, with HMD Global confirming that Nokia's collaboration with Zeiss Optics is back on. Zeiss is reportedly rekindling its commitment to set new imaging standards for Nokia customers. Smarina has found references to new photography features not found in a current Nokia Android phone in updated code for the Nokia 5. It suggests that the Nokia 9 will indeed have a dual-lens camera, referring specifically to a wide-angle photography option and 2x telephoto zoom.